Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Myself, Mrs. Arsha Tabassum, Department of English. Today I am going to show you the syllabus and the books for second year English. So this is the beautiful book. First book is Springs and the other book is Streams. So you can see I am going to introduce this book for you. You can see the front page itself, you have the green hills and you can see a man is standing over here, and this describes, yes, the behind, the next page, the last page, you can see a beautiful pictures has been given into a small boxes which narrates you the whole content. You have hardly 14 chapters in this, and you can see this is the first chapter, which is, you can see both of them are standing. Yes, absolutely, they are the none other than lovers. This is Romeo Juliet, written by William Shakespeare. And here in this small box you can see a couple is sitting. Yes, it is in the park, but they are not related to each other. This is the story of Sunny Morning, written by Seraphine and Jacqueline. And here you can see a man. Yes, he is an old man and he's holding a stick also. And yes, when he has entered his name into the book, definitely he have done something great. Yes, he is a well-known author and his name is George Louis Borges. And yes, in later he became blind. Even though he became blind, he did not give up reading or writing. Yes, that was, he accepted as his blindness as the way of life, and he entered his name into the literature. The other block, you can see the lady. Yes, he looks as if she is from the village. Yes, she is born and brought up in the Himalayan region, and she is no other than Vandana Shiva. She is world renowned environmentalist. She talks about the forest, protection of forest, nature, greeneries, and everything. So here the next block you can see, yes, two girls are cycling. This is Where There Is a Wheel, written by P. Sainath. This is from the village, Tamil Nadu village, Pudukkottai. So the next box you can see here. Here you can see who is sitting. Yes, old lady is sitting on the chair and holding a book. And behind that you can see there is a beautiful lady, young lady, and there is man behind it. So this is when you are old. So here the next you can see the both are bending to each other, greeting each other. This is, yes, it is not our culture, it is Japanese culture. So this chapter name is Japan and Brazil Through Traveler's Eye, written by George Mikes. And here in the small box you can see the man is standing in front of the black box holding a, yes, definitely it's a vote. The chapter name is The Voter, written by Chinao Achebe. Here, the next box, you can see a person who looks like exactly like a farmer sitting very sad. And yes, definitely behind that you can see a garden. If there is a garden, he is definitely the gardener, and it is written by P. Lankesh. Here, the next box you can see, yes, he looks like a king and he is a prisoner, and king is very much upset of the prisoner and he wants to rid him out of his place. So this is Too Dear. Too Dear, the criminal is too expensive to keep. So the chapter is Too Dear. So now you can see the another block, the box, where you can see the water is falling from above the sky, that too from the top, and that too from the pot, and the person is drinking here on the earth. That means the poem name is Water. And why they are throwing the water from very above, that means it is all about the untouchables. So it is written by Chelapalli Swarupa Rani. This another box, you can see a beautiful tree which is very fully grown with lot of loaded with apples and the fruit. And you can see the root is, it as if the tree is wearing a shoe, and it is completely inside the shoe, and when it is grown it has come out of the shoe. This is written, this is on children, sorry, this is To the Food from Its Child. This is a poem written by Pablo Neruda. This is also a beautiful poem. So next, coming to the next box, you can see, yes, there are birds. Mother bird is feeding the young birds, and yes, parents have lot of hopes from children. That is, the poem name is On Children, written by Khalil Gibran. So this is the book where you have many things, and this is the poem where you can see a beautiful green color hills which is loaded with the clouds, and a man is standing over here. This is no other than the person is Kuvempu, who is appreciating the beauty of the nature, and he says, "Heaven, if you are not on earth, then there is no heaven anywhere." So, written by Kuvempu. These are the 14 chapters which you have in the syllabus. I'll show you the content. Yes, you can see these are the 14 chapters. First one is Romeo and Juliet, written by William Shakespeare. Two Dear, Leo Tolstoy. On Children, Khalil Gibran. Everything I Need to Know, I Learn in the Forest, Vandana Shiva. Sunny Morning, Seraphine and Jacqueline. When You Are Old, W.B. Yeats. The Gardener, P. Lankesh. To the Fruit from Its Child, Pablo Neruda. I believe books will never disappear. Remember, I told about the blind person, a person who never give up even though he became blind. So it is by him. It is Robert Alfianos and George Luis Borges. Luis Borges is a person who became blind in his later age. Then Heaven If You're Not on Earth. Remember the first sheet, front sheet, it is written by Quempo. Japan and Brazil Through Traveler's Eye, written by George Marx. The Voter, Chinavachive, Where There Is a Will, P. Sainath, Water, Chalapalli Swaruparani. Yes, these are hardly 14, including the poems, 14 chapters, where it is very interesting. Hope you definitely love this to go through, and each every chapter will give you a moral, and you should learn the positivity, and you should learn how to avoid the mistake, and you should know how to accept the challenges and move on. Thank you.